On September 4th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a Walmart after security cameras caught a woman slipping items into her bag. But when police arrived, the story she gave them was nothing like what the cameras actually recorded.
An unopened bottle of Espolon.
Okay, and where did you get that at?
I got it from a friend. I have also Prosecco.
Okay.
Rum.
So what did you just take out of the store at Walmart?
Excuse me?
Okay, so they just called us and their loss prevention witnessed you and has you on video taking stuff out of the store, okay?
Taking what out of the store?
Merchandise out of the store, all right? So I'm going to have you, so go ahead and set those down for me. I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle, okay?
Okay.
So all the produce, all that kind of stuff on the floor over there, where did that come from?
Aldi, Schnucks, and this I've had for a day.
Okay.
Again, unopened.
Okay, all right. So go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. You can, if you want, you can roll the window up and turn it off, okay?
I'll turn, I have no...
All right. Do you want to roll your window up? We're gonna step inside for a minute, so that's why I'm allowing you.
Why
to roll
are we
your window.
stepping inside?
Because we're gonna go see loss prevention. How much have you had to drink?
Me?
Yes.
I haven't taken anything. Everything is unopened.
Okay. All right. We're gonna step inside, okay? It's not an option right now at this point. We're gonna go inside, okay? So you can either walk in peacefully, or we can walk you in there, okay?
Here's the deal. The reason that we are here is Walmart Loss Prevention called us and said that there are some items in here that you did not pay for. That is why we're here.
I stopped.
Okay.
Stopped.
That's why we want to walk you in there and see what's going on.
Get it figured out.
No. I'm from New York. I'm not, I don't have my receipt. I have my digital receipt if you guys want to see that instead.
You have a digital receipt?
I do.
Okay.
It's from my sister's card.
Okay.
Is it on your phone?
Yes, it is.
I'm going to grab your phone.
So hold on. I've been here counting and budgeting and all of this stuff, and now you guys just pulled me up. I could have left. Like, what's the problem?
Well, again, the problem is loss prevention is saying that there are some items that you did not pay for.
What items?
That's why we want to go inside and talk to you.
That's what we're going to figure out.
No. I would rather wait for my attorney. My sister listens to.
Okay.
I'd rather wait outside, bring your supervisor, everything.
So he is the supervisor.
You are the supervisor.
He is the supervisor.
So you witnessed me take things.
I didn't say that.
Okay.
That is what Walmart is. That is what we are here investigating.
Okay.
Walmart is the one. The Walmart associates are the ones that are saying.
Which Walmart associate? Because I.
We will gladly show you if you just walk in there with us.
No, I'm not walking in anywhere because I have no. I'm a behavioral analyst. I don't have to.
Do you have your ID with you?
Do I have my ID? I have a New York State ID. My Illinois ID is coming in next week.
Can I have your New York State ID, please?
Absolutely not.
Okay, can I get your name?
No,
Okay.
I don't feel.
At this point, you have to give us your name, okay?
Why?
You don't have a choice.
Because you are the suspect of an investigation.
How am I a suspect?
Let me finish. If you refuse to give us your name, you will be arrested for obstructing. Okay?
If I refuse to give you my name, you are arresting me.
That is correct.
For?
That is correct.
For obstructing.
Obstructing what?
You're obstructing
Your identification.
Yes.
You're not telling us your name.
Why would I need to tell you my name?
Because we're investigating a crime right now,
What's
and you
the
are the
crime?
suspect in the crime.
What's the crime?
I just told you the crime is retail theft. That is the crime that we are investigating.
Can you please tell me your name or give me your ID?
I can wait. My sister lives.
No.
You cannot wait. You can either. This is the last time I'm going to tell you. You can either give us your name, or you are going to be arrested.
Arrested for what?
For obstructing a peace officer. I'm giving you a lawful order to provide your name, and your birthday, and your identification.
Legal partner.
No.
All right.
Okay, and then what's your middle initial?
No middle initial. Traditional.
What's your date of birth?
I'm going into the car to get you.
Just tell me your birth year, okay? Okay. 140, copy 1. Last of common, first of.
My birthday just passed. My cousin just gave me some credit to get me some stuff so we can celebrate my late birthday. All right. Oh, Midwest is.
You what? Yeah. I think so. Or did he leave? Okay.
B. Lewis, can I have your name, please? J. Wolf. What is your full first name, please?
Officer, yep.
Officer Wolf. What is your full name?
Officer.
B. Lewis. Okay. O'Fallon PD?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this because of the sexual harassment I claimed across from the neighbor?
I have no idea what you're even talking
All right.
about.
So it was an Officer Voltron. He did the whole thing. I'm the only.
I'm going to need to see your ID, okay?
I don't have it.
You don't have your New York ID with you?
I have my New York ID.
Did you try her out of New York?
Huh?
I'm talking to somebody else. Copy.
I have my bad motherfucking wallet. Give me 1 second. Yes, it's expired, but I just
I'm not worried about that.
I went in for an Illinois license.
Okay.
I know I have like unregistered tags. I have my whole thing. I have not.
140. Copy 1 by file out of New York.
Voltron. I'm sorry. Can I? Yes, ma'am. Sir. Are you going do you remember? I was going to say, do you remember? Where I technically assaulted a older guy, and he had pictures of my sister and my niece. Okay, all right, just checking. This has to be. I have the receipts. I have my sister. She can come down here.
Okay.
She lives on.
So we don't need your sister, but you said you have the receipts. Where and what are the receipts for?
It's a digital receipt for Bacardi.
Okay. Hey, Votrain, you want this?
For Bacardi. This I got at a gas station. This I gotta get it. This I got at a gas station. Everything is unopened. I got this yogurt. This is for me. Stomach
Okay.
issues. My niece, she's a vegan, and a Wonder Bra.
Okay. So, here's the deal. Do you have a receipt from Walmart from the information?
I have a receipt. It was a refunded receipt. My sister has it. That's why I said my
Go ahead.
sister will come and bring the receipt. I exchanged it, and then I walked out. I'm cleaning my car, and then you guys pull up. I have no qualms about you doing your job. Like, I get it. I'm fine. Sweet Jesus, Midwest is
10-4.
crazy.
All right. So at this point, we need to go inside. If you're clear, then we want to clear this up and make sure.
I don't want to go back
Okay.
inside. I don't want to go back inside simply because if a loss prevention person, if it's the same guy or woman that was looking at my butt and making inappropriate comments, then no, I don't want to. I'm from New York. I don't need all
so
of
what's the description of the person who is looking at you and making inappropriate comments?
both men and women.
Well, give me a description, physical description.
Medium, black, but I can't say black. He or she was mixed.
Okay.
And there was, look.
All right. So at this point, we're gonna need to go in there. Okay.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm not going back inside.
Okay.
I have done nothing wrong. I lived here for 9 months. I have nothing. I have a Walmart car, and I have, look.
Okay. And I'm trying to be as nice and respectful as I possibly can.
And I appreciate that. And I appreciate that from all, like you.
Okay.
And I appreciate that from all of you.
Okay.
I am not a hot-headed, crazy. Y'all are just doing your job. Like it's fine, but nothing's open. Like honestly, I'm drinking. Like.
Okay. So we'll get to that portion when we get to that portion. Right now, I just kind of want to figure out what's going on here. Okay.
Sure.
So to make that a little bit easier, if we could walk in there and talk to them.
No. Once I walk into that establishment with the stuff, and then it doesn't matter if my cousin comes in with her MasterCard and then does yeah.
Why would your cousin have to come back with her MasterCard and
cousin, sister, my cousin.
You said cousin, but
I did say cousin. Okay. I have a million cousins.
Okay.
I have one sister that I live here. Both Fallon,
okay.
Illinois.
All right. So why would she need to come back with her MasterCard? What's going on with that?
Because I was using it on my phone.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm from New York. Like sometimes it.
I got you.
I'll wait until y'all people come out with the footage. Y'all can confirm the footage, and then I can go out here. Other than that, I'm not going anywhere. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. Do you go by any other names?
What?
Well, I'm just asking. Do you go by any other names? Okay. Any other legal names that would be associated with your driver's license or anything like that?
Polis.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna hang tight right here then. Okay. My supervisor's inside getting video footage and seeing what's going on in there. Okay.
Here's the deal. Watch the video. Okay. It has you in the store picking out the alcohol, right, and then leaving the store without paying for a thing. All on video. That's where we're at. So right now you are going to be detained for retail theft. Okay.
So go ahead and turn around for me. Okay.
That's where we're at.
Go ahead and turn around for me.
Can I?
We'll talk through everything here in just a second, but go ahead. I need to put you in handcuffs, okay?
Okay.
All right, so put your hands behind your back for me, okay? That's all right. If you sit back, I'm gonna reach.
No, go ahead.
In the end, she was charged with retail theft. Every explanation she gave became incredibly embarrassing once Walmart showed the clear video evidence of what she'd done. What do you think about her reaction when she was confronted with the footage? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cases like this.